Welcome to Binochi & Pairs, a professional reference guide. This guide offers a categorized collection of fixed Binochi phrases essential in business, legal, financial, and diplomatic English. I highlight the importance of correct word order in these expressions. Binomial pairs are fixed two-word phrases, often joined by and or with an irreversible word order. They are essential in professional communication, marking native level fluency. For example, pros and cons is correct, while cons and pros signals a non-native speaker. Remember, the order is always fixed. High-stakes strategy binomials are essential for authoritative communication in executive settings. First and foremost sets priorities, while facts and figures provide data-driven grounding. Risks and rewards balance evaluations, and make or break highlights critical decisions. Do or die conveys urgency, and sink or swim tests real-world capabilities. Operational precision is key in professional communication. Up and running indicates full operational readiness. Tried and tested assures reliability. Part and parcel highlights essential elements. Null and void denotes lack of legal force. Each phrase must be used in its correct order to convey the intended meaning effectively. Change and momentum are crucial in leadership. Little by little signifies patient progress, while slowly but surely reflects confident advancement. Onward and upward embodies optimistic forward momentum. Once and for all indicates a decisive resolution. These phrases are vital in change management and motivational context. Negotiating requires language that conveys flexibility and strategic positioning. Give and take is essential for mutual compromise. Black and white denotes non-negotiable stances. More or less softens commitments. Yes and no acknowledges complexity. Pick and choose highlights selectivity. All in all offers a balanced summary. Legal English relies on precision. Binomials like cease and desist instruct to stop actions, while null and void declared invalidity. Sole and exclusive grants, singular rights, and due and payable indicates current payment obligations. Full and final resolves claims completely, and known and unknown covers all claims in releases. In finance, binomials like profit and loss are crucial for assessing business performance. Supply and demand dictate market dynamics, while bull and bear describe market trends. Cost and benefit analyses guide investment decisions. Mastery of these terms reflects financial expertise. In IT and systems, understanding binomials like bits and bytes, input and output, and build and deploy is crucial. These terms are foundational in digital data, computational systems, and DevOps cycles. Mastery of these concepts signals systems literacy, essential for effective technical documentation and IT governance. In people-centric contexts, binomials like listen and learn emphasize growth and adaptability. Respect and trust are essential for team cohesion, while welcome and include foster inclusivity. Rights and responsibilities balance entitlements with accountability, and hire and fire encapsulates the staffing life cycle. Peace and quiet aids in conflict resolution. Rare and formal binomials like hue and cry and kith and kin originate from legal and Old English traditions. They appear in high-level documents and formal addresses. Understanding these expressions, such as will and testament or break and enter, signifies language mastery in legal and formal contexts. Binomials with or express stark choices or ultimatums, often with urgency. All or nothing demands total commitment. Now or never is time critical. Sooner or later signals inevitability. Make or break defines pivotal moments. Sink or swim requires self-reliance. More or less softens the tone. Unlike other or binomials, the irreversibility rule is crucial in binomial pairs. The order is fixed. Reversing them signals non-native fluency. For example, first and foremost is correct, while foremost and first is not. Correct sequencing, like pros and cons, instead of cons and pros, indicates native level fluency. Understanding binomial pairs in practice is crucial. Incorrect usage, like loss and profit, can damage credibility. Correct usage, such as profit and loss, reflects native level fluency. Similarly, supply and demand and null and void are correct, while their reversals are not. Mastering these pairs enhances communication precision. Binomial pairs are integral across professional domains, enhancing communication. In boardroom strategy, terms like first and foremost and make or break are key. Legal contracts rely on cease and desist and null and void. Financial reporting uses profit and loss and supply and demand. Negotiations often involve give and take and all or nothing. Let's explore key binomial pairs across professional contexts. In high-stakes strategy, terms like first and foremost and make or break are crucial. Operational precision relies on day-to-day and tried and tested methods. Change and momentum are captured by rise and fall. Nuance in negotiation involves give and take, while legal compliance uses null and void. In finance, binomials like profit and loss and boom and bust capture key dynamics. IT relies on input and output and backup and restore for system integrity. Diplomatic contexts use give and take for balance. Rare binomials like hue and cry add formality. Make or break scenarios highlight critical decisions. Mastering binomials signals true fluency. Reversing them can undermine credibility in professional settings. Binomial structure arguments signal fluency, add precision, and elevate tone. Correct sequencing shows internalized language mastery, not just study. Use them to frame ideas authoritatively and enhance professional communication in business. Even minor language errors can create significant credibility gaps. Executives assess not only your message, but also the naturalness of your delivery. Binomial pairs are fixed expressions. Their order is immutable. Mastering these across various domains enhances your English's precision and credibility. Mastering binomial pairs is crucial for professional English. Their fixed order is non-negotiable, spanning 10 categories with over 80 expressions. Precision in language signals competence, especially in high-stakes environments. Practice until the correct order becomes instinctive, enhancing your credibility and making your English sound more native and precise. All right, that wraps up our session on binomial pairs. From pros and cons to profit and loss and terms and conditions, these are the phrases you'll hear again and again in real business English. Focus on the fixed order, apply it step by step, and your fluency will move forward and upward. Hit and subscribe, and in case I don't see you, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.